Hi guys, welcome to my channel TKF Electronics once again. So today I have Pioneer CDJ player 350 model. This is the one. So let's check it out. What's the issue in this? I will try to repair this one. So the problem in this is I'll just put it on now. We'll see. I put it on now. See, standby light is blinking. This is the problem. No, nothing, no display, nothing. Standby light is blinking. See. So we'll try to open this out first. It's on. I actually unscrewed this one because to finish the work fast so that no more time wasting. So we'll turn this out because the power supply is this section. So still same problem. See. So we'll check out the voltages. This is the ground. I connected to the ground. So 3.3 volt is coming. This supply is going to the CPU IC. This is CPU panel IC. This one. See, it's coming 3.3 volt. It's okay. So here should be get 12 volt something. See, this is 12 volt coming. So it means this check power supply section, this side section, CPU, everything is looks okay. So we'll check concentrate this side only. So here we are getting the voltage on the CPU also. See, so mostly 3.3 and 12 volt. It's there already. Okay guys, so here see one more time. See, it's there. So now the thing is, we'll check it out. Is there anything shorting somewhere like that? Here this is DFLF board, DFLB board, and this is the JFLB board. So we'll check out we'll take some diode resistors ohms whether there are any showing shorting something like that. Okay guys, we'll put it off first. So we'll check out some ohmic test. Is there any shorting in the diode or something like that? There is no shorting. It's okay. This is okay. And this is the coils. Here also one diode is there. This is also okay, not showing any shorting. So this is a coil resistors. This is the coil. It's okay. So this is 12 ohms resistor. We'll check is it open or okay. This is okay. This resistor also okay. So we'll check again. There's some important points over here. This is 100 ohms resistor supply side. This is 100 ohms. It's okay. So now we'll concentrate this side. This side some diode and resistors are there. So we'll check this side also. Here diodes is there. This okay. It's not showing any shorting. This also okay. This is Schottky diode. This is also okay. And one more diode is here. This diode also okay. So we'll check some resistors, important resistors. This is 1 ohm resistor. This is 1 ohm resistor. We'll check this one. So this resistor is okay. And this is 0 ohms resistor. So this is 0 ohms, and besides 0 ohms there is one more resistor, 0.51. See guys, this resistor is showing open, See, this is 0.51. It's not showing any ohms, and it looks like something burned over there. This one. See here, huh? Can see this one? This one. Yes, this one. So guys, this one. See this one. This is 0 ohms. This is 0.51 ohms, but it is not showing anything. See, and there is one more resistor beside it, 270 ohms. This is okay. And there is one more resistor over here, 270 ohms. And this is 8-pin IC. This one. This is DC to DC converter IC. This one. 27 volt input is going inside and 38 volt DC is coming outside. The number of this IC, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8-pin IC. This is the number of this IC is NJM2374AD. This is DC to DC converter IC. From this IC, high voltage is coming out, 30 volt DC is coming out and supplying to this fluorescent screen. So we'll try to replace this resistor, and with new one, and we'll check it out. So guys, we'll try to replace this one. We'll remove it out this IC. See guys, it's broken already. So we'll put new one now. So I replace that resistor, my dear. So now we'll put it on the power and we'll check. We'll put it on. I put it on now. See guys, it's gone. So we'll check the voltage now downside. So we will check the voltage. See guys, now 38 volts is coming. Before it was not coming. So all voltage is coming now. Here 11.8 volt, 7.4 volt here. On this pin 17 volt. On this pin 11.8 volt. So because of this resistor open, so no more DC to DC converter is producing. That's why it's going on the protection mode. When the red light is blinking, it means that it is going on a protection mode. That is protecting your circuit system player to damage furthermore. So now we'll check the voltages over here. On this pin number 1, 17.8 volts coming. Pin number 2 is ground. Pin number 3, 0.9 volt. Now everything is perfect. 1.2 volt. This is the input pin number 6. See 11 volt coming. So guys, this is the problem in this. So now it's perfectly okay. So it's working fine. So now we'll close this one. So we'll close this one. Now we'll put it on. So we'll put it on. So it's on now. So we'll put the CD inside. See, it's working. So we'll check the output also. It's coming. Both channel is working. Okay. So guys, so both is working now fine. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video. Like it, share it. If you have any comments, please leave it on comment box and leave it any comment and like it, share it. And if you don't have yet not subscribed, please subscribe it so that whenever I upload new video, immediately you will get notification. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.